All right, good morning, everyone. Let's go ahead and take out your notebook and write today's date, which is 9/26/16. And today we're going to be talking about the distance between two numbers. Now, you got to take these notes in your notebook, and then we are going to be reviewing them tomorrow, but there might be a little pop quiz tomorrow when I come back, so make sure that you fully understand what I'm teaching to you right now. You take all the notes and you behave so that tomorrow I can reward you and also give you a little pop quiz maybe. All right, so actually today's lesson is pretty easy. So if I say, what is the distance from -2 to 5? What would it be? Hopefully you did not say 3, because 3 is not the correct answer. So if I look at it on the number line, let's go ahead and draw a number line. And I put 0 in the middle, okay? I'm gonna go to -2. -1, -2. Then I'm gonna go to +5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I want to know, and I'm asking you, what is the distance from this number all the way to this number? Well, if I look at my number line, I can see that from 0 to -2, well, that's 2 spaces. And from 0 to 5, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So if I add these up, what do I get? I get 7. So the distance, remember distance is always positive, is 7. There are 7 spaces between -2 and +5. You can also look at it as a math problem. The distance from -2 to 5 can be written as a subtraction problem, but it's distance, so that means that it's always positive. All right, so we have this math problem, -2 minus 5, and now we're going to rewrite it because you know how this just gets me so upset. Did everybody write that down? All right, so we write -2 plus -5 in the bars. What's -2 plus -5? -7 in the bars. Take it out, you're left with 7, the same answer. So there's 2 options. You can either do it on the number line or you can set up a math problem, but you should get the same answer. All right, so let's go ahead and do another problem. Okay, question. What is the distance from 17 to -4? Okay. Hopefully you didn't say 13. So we're gonna draw a number line here. Remember, whatever I do, you do. So let's get this written down. Now I'm gonna go put 0 in the middle. I'm gonna put -4 here, and I'm just gonna put 17 over here. Okay, I'm not gonna draw the little lines in between. I'm gonna ask you this. From 0 to -4, how many spaces is 0 to -4? Right, 4. And from 0 to 17, how many spaces is 0 to 17? Right, 17. So the distance from here to here is 4. The distance from here to here is 17. So together, we will get 21. Good. Now, what math problem does that create? Well, that creates 17 minus a -4 in the bars. Rewrite that. Keep, change. Do it before I do it. So keep, change. So you should have written 17 plus a +4 in the bars. So that's 21 in the bars. Take it out, you're left with 21. Again, the same answer. These are two ways of doing the same problem. You can either do it on a number line or you can set up a subtraction problem, but you should get the same answers. All right, let's do one more. What is the distance from -100 to 98? And it's not 2. Stop thinking like that. All right, so you're gonna draw our number line. Put 0 here, -100 here, and 98 there. Quickly draw it. All right, so from 0 to -100, how many spaces is it from 0 to -100? That would be 100. How many spaces from 0 to 98? That would be 98. So then I add these two, 0 to 98 would give you a grand total of 198. Cool. So what math problem would that be? That would be -100 minus 98 in the bars. Go ahead and keep change that before. You should end up with -100 plus -98. That gives you -198 in the bars, which gives you 198. All right, so that concludes the notes portion. Now, I don't want you to put it away. I want you to keep it near because you have classwork assignment that looks just like this. Now, remind you, if you get 5 stars today, you get an educational documentary and a homework pass. So let's work together to keep the noise level at a 0. Oh, there's the bell. Hold on.